Welcome to the video, guys. Today's episode is fully packed with thrilling moments you should never miss. So make sure to watch until the very end. This biker missed the signal because he didn't see the red lights. He kept going ahead and went to a gas station to fuel up his bike. But suddenly, a truck driver came in and started a fight. He literally slapped the biker. But he didn't expect this to happen. The rider tried to calm him down, but the driver was already calling the cops. In this video, a rider got furious with a driver because he sped up dangerously towards him.
Seriously? What's up?
I've been waiting there for 10 minutes.
What in am I gonna speed in like you're gonna hit me, ass?
A lady driver wasn't paying any attention while switching lanes.
Dude. Come on! Did you not see me? You almost hit me! Did you not see me when you crossed lanes? You're not even gonna roll that window down? You didn't see me? I was going straight, you were in the left lane, you cut me off. You gotta put your blinker on and look first. I have my son with me, you could have killed us both. Alright, pay attention.
In this video, a car driver cut really close to the rider.
I got you on camera, dude. I got you on camera. What was the point of that? What was the point of you cutting in front of me like that? What was the point? I got you on camera. What was the point of cutting? You want to pull over? What the f was the point of cutting me off like that? I didn't do to you.
I didn't do anything to you.
You did cut me off. I have it on camera.
I went around you.
You didn't go, you went right in front of me, and you didn't have to do that. There were two lanes. It wasn't necessary.
I went around you. I signaled.
Just do me a favor. Don't ever do no shit like that. Dude, I got kids. I didn't do anything to you, okay? And you would have killed a veteran, and that would have looked great.
Don't curse
That would
at me.
have, what?
Don't curse at me. I don't curse at you.
Well, don't try to hit me then.
I didn't hit you.
Well, you tried. Well, you came a little too close, and you know you did.
I've never heard a biker.
You know you did, okay?
I've never heard a biker.
Yeah, well, I'll curse at you if you're gonna freaking try to mess with my life. I'm sorry.
Never messed with your life, but don't.
Well, you did.
You don't know.
You did, okay?
Right?
What's that?
Have a good day, man. Have a good day. Go ahead. Go on.
You know what? Hold on 1 second, sir. Come here for a second. I want to hold on. You have a good day too. Because you wish me a good day, I'm going to wish you a good day. All right? Enjoy your weekend.
It's not just car drivers. Sometimes bikers face trouble from other riders who don't pay attention on the road.
Porco 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 madonna. E sciolti con un sciolti con un coglione.
A biker was waiting to cross the road, and he almost saw heaven today.
Absolute favorite. She almost killed me. And then she looked at me like it was my fault.
This group of riders was just enjoying their day when a truck driver tried to ruin it. The riders tried to stop him, but he didn't stop. At first, they chased him, but they made a good choice by not escalating things. A driver was arguing with a rider for speeding up.
Hey! Why don't you slow down? Well, I probably was speeding. That's super funny. Is that good enough for Moto Madness? I don't know. What? Huh? You want me to? Well, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Oh my God. Dude, come on, man.
Speed limit's 40.
I was doing 40.
Be a goddamn dick on your little moped.
Man, come on, just relax, dude. I'm not in a mood.
Go past me like dude. Speed limit's 40.
I was doing, I think,
50.
hey, I think I was doing 45.
No, you were doing faster than that. If I didn't have goddamn time to fucking go home on your little mini bike.
Hey, dude, come on, man. There's no need for that.
Go fucking home on your little gay tank bike.
There's no need for that. Oh my God.
In this clip, the rider kicks a car's mirror. Maybe he had a reason?
When I rang you, by the way, not you ringing me, I rang you to confirm I had my 7-seater. Right? Whoa! What are you doing? Bro, what are you doing? This guy. This guy. Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing? Bro? No, not you. Sorry, not you. Yeah, sorry. So...
When this rider was just enjoying his day, a reckless driver came out of nowhere without paying attention to the road. The rider was lucky enough to stay safe. Always pay attention to the road while riding bikes. There are some stupid people out there. Sometimes you won't get much time to react. Stay alert, be careful, and ride safe. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more thrilling content.